Hi, welcome. In this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make an object in form of the gold or in form of the metal. In fact, today we are teaching gold making together. Simple and sweet, yet full of details. Please write down all the details in your Photoshop tutorial notebook so you don't forget. This is a special and valuable training. Be with me. This technique full of details, and I have to say about all of my knowledge. So please be careful. This technique used for text or object, and I want to show you in the text and object. My object is here. Now I want to teach you about making gold in the text. So I'm going to the horizontal text tool. Then I write a word like gold. G-O-L-D. Okay. Then click tick and put your word in the best space. I think my font is not good. I change it. Good. One of the important points in this tutorial is your object or your text should be in a white color. Every subject or every your text should be white. So I change my color to white every time. It's most important hint in this tutorial. Be white. Then I increase my font size to 250. Then click enter. Good. And it's good. Then click enter. Okay, alright. Now we are going to create an artificial and golden world. So I'm going to this icon, add a layer style, or you can double click on your text layer. I double click on it. Then layer style is opening in front of me. I put in beside to show you my work. So I put it inside my desktop to show you my changing in my work. First of all, I'm going to color overlay. I have to do something here. So, in color overlay, I have to choose a color. Why? Because golds in the words are yellow. So I want to choose a yellow color in my color picker. I give you a code, so you can type on your color picker in this icon. You can write FFEAOO. Be remember this code because it's your golden color in this tutorial. So FFEAOO. It is my color. A nice yellow. Then click OK and change your blend mode to multiply. It's your best mode. The opacity between 45 to 50. I choose 45. Then I'm going to drop shadow. Drop shadow is a most of important part in my tutorial. So be careful. Blend mode must be normal and my color is black. I choose black. Very good. Then click OK. Opacity is 100. Don't change it. Then my angle is 120. It's good. Turn on use global light. It's on. Then set your distance in the 10 and your spread will be, oh, it's not important in the text layer. Then your size is 10. 10 is best. After that, in your quality, the first of quality is good. The name of this is liner. It's liner. Then click it and it's good. We don't have any noise and it's O. So layer knocks out drop shadow is on. After that, I'm going to bevel and emboss. It's good. So be careful. In a structure, your style is inner bevel. Choose inner bevel. Then my technique is chisel hard and my dips is 250. Direction is down. Then your size will be 35 and your soften is 5. Okay. As you want, you can change it a little. Like me. Look at my gold board in my desktop. You can change it, but it's not very nice. You can change it as you want with a little. I think 8 is good. So, in shadowing, my angle is 120 and I turn on use global light, then it's 60. Okay. Glass contour is this. Look at this. It's my glass contour. It's ring double. Ring double. Then click it. Okay. My light and moon will be linear. Dodge. Click it. And your color in there mood will be a nice yellow like this. It's good. A nice yellow near to the gold as you want. It's your taste. I think it's good. Then I'm click OK and my opacity is 100. Then after, my shadow mode is linear born and my color in this mode will be near to a dark yellow. I will tell you after that, but it's good to be a dark yellow. As you see, my shadow will be changed if I change my color. Look my gold. It will be changed. Okay, I think it's good. I'm clicking OK. And my opacity is 80. Okay. It's good. And in the last part, I'm going to gradient overlay. Then I want to set a nice gradient to near my gold to golden effect. My mood blend is normal and detail is off. My opacity is 80. Okay. But in my gradient must be yellow, so I click it. I change my gradient to dark yellow to light yellow. It will be dark. I use a dark yellow to near my gold. It's good, but not my favorite. I change it. Yeah, it's okay. I click OK. I change it to a light yellow. Nice. It's okay. And click OK. And gradient. No, I think it must be darker. So it's good. Then click OK. And OK. So my style is reflected and my angle is 90. My scale is 150. Okay, it's good. The work almost done. But if you feel your subject is not very golden, you can go to bevel and emboss and change your soften. If you remember, I put it my soften in the 8, but I can change it very easily. Look at my goal. If I increase it, it's very bolder than last. If I decrease it, it's bolder than last. Or if I increase it, it's not bold and it's very soft. So I want to make it hard and not soft. It's okay and good. I think 5 pixels is okay, and you can change your size as you want. And you can change your dips like me. Look at my gold. I can change it very easily. Nice. Okay, I think my making gold is done. Then I click OK. It's my effect, and you can change my font. And I'm change my font size because 300 is very well. I can change it to 200. Then click enter. Good.